Experiencing slow speeds on your T-Mobile 5G hotspot? Here's what's likely happening and how to fix it. The primary culprits are throttling due to data caps and deprioritization. T-Mobile may throttle your speeds after you've used a certain amount of data, like 50 gigabytes on some plans. They also deprioritize hotspot traffic during peak hours, favoring smartphone users on unlimited plans. Weak signals, especially indoors or far from towers, severely impact speeds. Finally, T-Mobile uses multiple 5G bands like N41, N71, and N260, and your hotspot might not always pick the best one automatically. These are the main causes of slow T-Mobile 5G hotspot speeds. To fix slow T-Mobile 5G hotspots, first monitor your data usage in the T-Mobile app to avoid throttling. Consider upgrading to an unlimited plan like Magenta Max for more data without throttling. Improve signal by repositioning your hotspot near a window, using an external MIMO antenna, or switching to LTE-only mode if 5G is unstable. Finally, manually select the best band using device settings or apps like Network Cell Info Lite to force the N41 band for balanced speed and range. Update your firmware for optimal performance. These steps can drastically improve your hotspot speed.